The Astra Car Repair free template is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a website for their auto repair business. The template is designed with a clean and modern layout that is easy to navigate and aesthetically pleasing. One of the best things about this template is that it is incredibly easy to use and customize. It comes with pre-designed pages, including a home page, about us page, services page, and contact page, which can be easily modified to include the specific information and content that the business owner wants to share with their customers. The template is also fully responsive, which means that it looks great on all devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This is an important feature because it ensures that your website will be accessible to all visitors, regardless of the device they are using to access it. The Astra Car Repair free template also comes with a variety of useful features, including plugins like WooCommerce and Elementor, as well as support for various page builders. This makes it incredibly easy to add new features and functionality to your website, as well as customize the layout and design to suit your specific needs. Overall, if you are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use, and fully responsive template for your auto repair business, the Astra Car Repair free template is an excellent choice.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give